Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back once again to DCS. Today we are going to be looking at deploying in this case a 1 megaton nuclear warhead in the MiG-31K mod. And we're going to go through the steps to do so. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, now in the cockpit of the MiG-31 mod, it's all Su-25 avionics, but I do like the extra work that they did around the cockpit to kind of give it that more authentic look. But let's take a look at our controls for today. We are going to be using our TDC slew, which is these guys here. Target designator controls. We're going to be using Alt-W, which overrides launch permission. We're going to need that for the nuke. And then we're going to be firing our weapon, and that's it. Obviously, your basic flight controls, pitch, roll, yaw, and your throttles will also apply, but those three. Oh, also the number 7 key to go into air to ground mode. So let's do that. Air to ground mode, I forgot one more actually also. So we're going to go Alt-W, and that gives us our launch authorization. You can see in the HUD there, and then the other key I'm going to push is the I key, which is the default radar on key. And then we're going to go ahead and slew over our aircraft a little bit, just so we get that diamond there in the HUD. That's a SA-3 site. And I forgot one more key bind as well. We're going to be hitting the enter key once we've got that target locked up. So to recap, it is 7, Alt-W.
Maximum speed.
I know.
Maximum speed.
7,
Maximum
Alt-W.
speed. Maximum speed.
Slew over to your target.
Maximum
and enter,
speed.
and then launch the weapon.
Maximum speed.
That motor will fire.
Maximum
We're gonna get
speed.
the heck out of Dodge. Let's shut off the
Maximum
radar.
speed. Maximum speed.
And that warhead has quite a ways to go. You can see it's probably exceeding 3,000 knots, 2,300 and increasing. We're going to increase our breakaway angle because that is a 1 megaton warhead coming out.
Maximum speed.
$3,500 knots now. This thing is hauling. Absolutely hauling.
Maximum.
At 60,000 feet, it's now in the decline. We're going to gain some altitude ourselves here. Through counting range, through 60,000 feet. As that warhead continues towards that hostile airbase, 80,000 feet, let's start nosing over. $95 now. Watch the warhead. There you go. Sometimes you get a crater with a 1 megaton, sometimes you don't. We're at 105,000 feet, 132 knots indicated. That's due to thin air. Let's listen to the delay on the sonic boom. I don't even know where we are. We're already over Gudada. So, for reference, here's where we were dropping the nuke on Batumi. We probably dropped it somewhere around here, and in that time we have made it back over the Caucasus mainland and are nearly overhead Batumi and Sochi at 108,000 feet. Start a descent here. Pull out the power, drop the speed brake. That is the MiG-31K nuke, the far superior nuke compared to the MiG-21. Those of you who dealt with it know what I'm talking about. Launching a nuke in that thing is a pain, and it's a lot smaller of a yield. So, I guess we can go over to Batumi and see if that crater rendered in or not. Usually it does not, but can't hurt to check. Down, 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 down. Yeah, no, so it did not. It just blew up everything. Just killed absolutely everything in a huge radius. If I had other assets other than what I had planted at the field here, those would all be burning and in rubble. But there you go. Lots of dead airplanes. Lots of dead vehicles where they parked. So that is going to do it for this video. This little quick tutorial on launching a nuke. Most multiplayer maps have this disabled, so you're going to need to either host your own session or do this stuff in single player like I am. I'm going to go over there to what I believe is Sochi now, and try and put this bird down. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, take it easy.
Pull up.